Hey everyone, sorry I haven't made any vlogs for a long time, but here we go. And there's a big storm coming, as you see. And yes, this is off my iPod. Hasn't rained for a long time. It's been snow, and it's really warm out. See the clouds moving? Moving pretty fast. Oh yeah, winter edition is coming soon. Pretty soon. We have some really good shots and stuff. My net. Woo! Okay. Oh yeah, look over there. How dark them clouds are. Over there. Getting pretty dark. Oh wait. There's a little wet in my thing. Looks like it's starting to rain. Yep. Drizzling. It's starting to rain. My screen's going away. It's starting to rain. I can feel it. Feel it.
I feel it.
It's just drizzles.
Wait, when I was over there, I felt a drop of rain.
So.
I heard it.
Oh.
Bobby, it's starting to rain.
It's getting windy. You know. Nala. Hey, no. Hey, look. Is there a storm coming now? Is there a storm coming? Yeah, no, there's a storm coming. Storm coming. Okay. Oh. My dad made a frisbee shot off the roof and right over the internet. That'll be coming in Frisbee Trick Shots 3. Oh god, it's starting to rain more now.
Wow. That's really starting to rain.
It's not raining that much. Yeah, there's a couple trees down over there. It's been there. Just waiting. I'm finishing up on winter edition over there. The computer. It'll be on pretty soon. Go dark again. Oh yeah, and this weekend I might be I'm going to the cabin, and possibly with Tyler. I might go with Tyler if he's around. And if we get lucky, we'll be able to make a couple of shots. I might bring the new food, just probably for a little if we have time. It's gonna be from Friday morning to Sunday morning. I'll have some videos of that coming. Like, maybe not trick shots, but all kinds of videos. I'm just hoping that there's going to be a lot of snow, because there's these huge hills you can go sledding on. And there's this big, there's places we can go sledding. I just hope there's snow. There's a chance of snow. It's about 4 hours away in Rockton, PA. To a field up there in the mountains. Yeah, it's starting to rain. Oh, fast and clouds moving. Oh, see that? Right up there. My screen's getting wet. Midnight! Hey, big boy! Hey, Midnight! Midnight! Hey, Midnight! Okay, when it starts pouring, I'll make another vlog video. Okay, see you guys. Say bye now. Say bye. No, look, that's you. Say bye.